Hello, myself Abdul Alim. Assalamu Alaikum. First, let me introduce my today's topic. Today, I am going to talk about complex engineering problems or CEP and complex engineering activities or CEA. These are important parts of engineering education under BEAT. Now, let's understand why CEP are important. Not all engineering problems are the same. Some problems can be solved using known formulas, but complex problems may have uncertainty, different constraints, and conflicting requirements. CEP and CEA helps students handle these real engineering problems challenges. Now, let's understand the difference between CEP and CEA. CEP means complex engineering problem. It focuses on understanding, analyzing, and solving complex problems. CEA means complex engineering activities. It focuses on designing, implementing, testing, and evaluating solutions. So simply, CEP is about solving, while CEA is about doing. Let's look at the main characteristics of a complex task. A complex task may require deep analysis, engineering judgment, and knowledge from different areas. It may also have conflicting requirements, is incomplete information requirements and incomplete information. Most importantly, not every assignment or lab task is CEP or CEA. Now let's see where CEP and CEA are commonly used. CEP is used in advanced course researches, case studies, and final year projects. On the other hand, CEA is used in a design project, lab project, internship, and team-based engineering work. So CEP focus more on analysis while CEA focus on practical work. Now, next, let's look at the main attribute of CEP. Bay defines 7 CEP attributes from P1 to P7. Among them, P1, which is depth of knowledge, is mandatory. On the other including conflicting requirements, deep analysis, unfamiliar issues, engineering codes, stakeholders, and interdependence. Now let's move to the attribute of CEA. CEA has 5 attributes from A1 to A5. These includes resources, technical interaction, innovation, social and environmental impact, and unfamiliar solutions. These attributes require uh, the real professional engineering activities. Now let's understand CEP with a simple example. Here we have a score and scalable hospital database. Student needs to consider patient records, billing, security, privacy, and performances. Because it has different real world requirements and challenges, it is a good example of a complex engineering problem. Finally, let's summarize the main points of this presentation. CEP focus on analysis and problem solving, while CEA focus on design and implementation. Both are important for BEAT and engineering education. Uh, that's all from my presentation. Thank you everyone for your attention. Assalamu alaikum.